Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Disinfection of sputum is done by autoclaving, boiling, and even sunlight can disinfect the sputum. Hospital dressing is best disposed of by. For hospital dressing, we can do autoclaving. Autoclaving is for not only just hospital dressing, for soiled bandages or for dressings, or if there is any soiled cotton, or if there is soiled plaster casts, beddings, and solid wastes, all these can be disposed by autoclaving. Autoclaving is best for treating the infectious wastes. It is actually best for treating infectious wastes. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.